Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Robin, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is Man for Himself. If you like man's hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, then chances are you're gonna love it right here. Please do press subscribe right now. Okay, grooming. Anything from your hair to your skincare, maybe even your fragrance, is all about routine and it's all about steps. And there are certain steps in your routine that you might just be missing. And it's these little things that are going to make a big difference to ultimately really how you look, and I think that kind of pays off to how you feel about yourself. I'm just into my new place. I've not got things sorted just yet, and the bathroom's maybe not quite how I'd want it, so I'm gonna just pick a bathroom for this one. Now, the first one that you might be missing is nose hair. Okay, when I think of nose hair, I think of like very nice, very sweet old men, but they've got lots of nose hair. The older you get, the more hair you produce in the places you don't really want it, your nose and your ears. Now, throughout this video, I'm using the Braun MGK7221. Quite the name, but this is an all-in-one tool. It's a multi-grooming device that can do 10 jobs with just one tool. And if you want to check it out, there is a very special Black Friday deal at the moment on Amazon. I will link it, it will take you straight there. You'll be able to get your money off. Now, with this, you can change the detachable heads. For the nose and for the ears, you've got a tool that does that. Just pop it on and use it just around the outside of your nose. You don't need to be jabbing right up, but just around it. This is safe and it's also clean. You can take this off, you can run it under the water. This tool can be used wet and dry. But do get into that nose hair. There is nothing worse than when you're chatting to someone and that's all you can see. Right, the next one is your moustache hair. Now, I'm a guy that loves a moustache. I've done the big curly one. I'm tempted to do the Tom Selleck chevron. Can let me know if I should do that. It really doesn't matter how dense that moustache is, and maybe if it's part of a bigger beard, but you still want to be trimming, especially onto the lips. If you've got overhanging hair, you're going to get it in your food, you're going to get it in your mouth, it doesn't look good. So just get a little comb or just do it with your hands, brush down, and anything that's hanging over, just trim it. And they do have a tool for that. That's the precision trimmer. So just swap that head on. It means you're not going to take too much off and you can really focus in on that area. Okay, the next bit that really focus in on, get the details right, is your cheeks. Again, whether you've got a huge big bushy beard, just a bit of stubble, or maybe like me, hardly anything, you still want to really focus in on this. You want to contour it and you want to edge it. So it is really, really neat. Fine, there might be some guys that want it looking a bit wild, but I think grooming is all in the detailing. So just swap off the head. You can use the bald blade just straight onto those cheeks, little top tip for you, smile. You're gonna be able to get right on your cheekbones and just take it up slightly. And if you are keeping a beard, then this tool has 13 length settings. You've got a 1mm trimmer, a 2mm trimmer, and then 2 beard trimmers, one for a short beard, from 3 up to 11mm, or for a longer beard, 13mm up to 21mm. And this tool does have an auto sensing technology, which really means it reads how much hair is there and it drives more power into the motor. Also at this time, I know we've had sort of periods of barbershops being open, barbershops being shut, and a lot of you guys are cutting your own hair. I haven't done that. It is the longest it's ever been. But you can also use this on your hair. So you can go for a buzz cut with this, or you might want to go for something slightly longer, or just neaten it up around the neck. And neck hair is another one that you might be missing. I always think this is quite a telltale sign between a guy that looks after himself, kinda, and a guy that really does take pride in his appearance. If someone's got loads of neck hair, you still want to neaten it. Where you want to be stopping is just above the Adam's apple, and then working it into a beard so you can kind of sort of fade it up with one of those tools, or just going bald. And this tool does come with the Gillette Fusion5 ProGlide. So if you want to go clean shaven onto that neck, then you can do. Or, like I probably would more likely do, is you can swap the head off again, and there's a little precision foils, which means you're going to get really close in on the neck. And again, you could also use that on the cheeks, but keep it neat. Cheeks and neck, neat. And the final area that you might be missing, and this is one that you might not really notice on someone else, except if you're getting personal and intimate, and it's body hair. Anything from just a bit of hair poking out the chest, which I think go wild, be free, be natural, do that, to the hair down there. Look after it, keep it neat, keep it trimmed. So just again, swap off the head. They've got a body groomer in this. It can be used wet or dry, so take it into the shower. It's gonna be safe. It's not gonna give you any nicks, and you can just get down there or onto your chest. Thank you very much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. Again, the Braun MGK7221, the 10-in-1 tool, is linked in the description with that Black Friday deal. Check it out, a great deal right there. Do not miss out. Also, if you're still new to this, you've still not pressed subscribe, then hi, I'm still Robin. This is still Man for Himself. Please do press subscribe right now. Also, there's more videos down there, more videos down there, also a link to my blog there, and other bits in the cards, more videos on my Instagram. But until my next new video, bye-bye.